car A travels at 90 kilometers an hour, car B travels at 28 meters per second. Which car is faster and by how much in meters per second? First, we need to convert car A's speed from kilometers an hour to meters per second. Car A is going at 90 kilometers per hour, and we want to convert this to meters per second. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters, and that 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. So to convert from kilometers an hour to meters per second, we need to first convert our kilometers by multiplying through our conversion factor of 1,000 meters for every 1 kilometer. Next, we can convert the hours to seconds by multiplying through our conversion factor of 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. Multiplying through this, we see that the kilometers cancel and leave us with meters, and the hours cancel and leave us with seconds. Solving this, we get that 90 kilometers an hour is equivalent to 25 meters per second. 25 meters per second is less than car B at 28 meters per second. In order to determine how much faster car B travels than car A, we subtract car B's speed of 28 meters per second by car A's speed of 25 meters per second. This gives us that car B is going 3 meters per second faster than car A. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.